Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Gunius Amoya, so your data analyst. Here I have a data set, an attrition data set. It shows you the employees of a company, the hourly rate, what they earn, their marital status, how many of them have left the company, and the reasons why they left. When you analyze this data, you will find out the reasons why people are leaving this company. Yeah, most of them have been here for years without any promotion. But actually today we are not going towards the analytics aspect of this data now. I just want to show us something, how to make use of Countif. Because when I was analyzing this data, I just decided, okay, let me just see how many people have left this company. Because when you come to this column, attrition, you see yes, no. Yes, yeah is people showing that this person have left, and no is that the person is still in the company. So I just decided, okay, let me just count how many people that have left and people that are still here. So how can we do that now? This using Microsoft Excel. You click on this column, so there is no space here for me to do that. So I just decided to copy this and go and paste it on a new sheet. So this is a new sheet. Okay, let me go to a new sheet. This is a new sheet, so let me paste this here. You do Ctrl V. Here it is. So let us see the number of persons that have left this company. This is for years. Then how do you do that? To click equal to. What we are using is Countif. You do Countif, open your bracket. You see the options of what to do. Range. So we are doing from this A2 to the end. So how do you do that? You do here A2, so you do Control Shift End. So it has taken you to the end of this. So this is A1471. That is the end. So from what we are doing here, I have seen range. So what you now do is put your comma. So what is the criteria? Criteria is that you want to check how many people that have left. So you now put your what? Yes. Y E S. Yes. So you close your brackets. Close brackets and click enter. So this will show you the number of persons that have left this organization. We have 237. So let us check people that are still in this organization. You do equal to Countif, open your bracket, range. We are also starting from here, A2, Control Shift, downward arrow key. So you see it here, A1471. So what next? We have here that you should put your comma, you put comma, then put your criteria. The criteria is that you want to check people that have left. Here we have no. So close the bracket, then you click enter. It will show you the number of persons that are still in the organization. So we have here 1233. So this is how to do Countif using your Microsoft Excel. It can be this data I have or any other data you have, and you just want to calculate something. Okay, maybe count in this place people that have, maybe if it is grade, you are in school, you want to check people that have A. You can just use whatever it is that you want to check. You can use this. Is how to make use of Countif function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you. See you some other time.